Good morning, Castle staff and friends. Welcome back from your much needed 2-week break. This is Amanda and Katrina with this week's Castle Communication. To begin with some updates, Dr. Silverberg will be on campus tomorrow, January 9th, with the superintendent from Bakersfield City School District. He and the superintendent will be visiting the STEAM labs, some classrooms, and collaboration. He is working with the superintendent in their implementation of a new STEAM school. So just be prepared to see Dr. Silverberg tomorrow.
All right, guys, and this week on the 10th, Wednesday, we have grade level PLCs. You have that time to work with your team and plan. Just some reminders, quarter 2 ends this Friday, and then report cards will go home on January 19th.
We have a leadership meeting on Wednesday the 10th at 3:30 p.m. in the PDC. We will be looking at our 90-day plan implementation from first semester and then looking at what some goals may be as we move into second semester.
Okay, and then some updates for extended day. Our last day for quarter 2 is this Friday. We will not have extended day next week. We have a commercial for extended day that'll be linked in your email. Please show that to your students by tomorrow, Tuesday. And then registration for quarter 3 will be this Thursday from 5 to 6 p.m. in the multipurpose room. And then Friday morning, 7 to 8:30 in the library. It's first come, first serve, so please remind your students, their parents need to come in with them and register them. And then quarter 3 extended day begins Monday, January 22nd.
Some reminders. Morning duty begins at 7:50 a.m. When it is your turn for morning duty, we do need you out there slightly before that 7:50 bell rings so that we can start dismissing students from the cafeteria promptly. So again, please be at your morning duty on time.
And then time to make it rain again. We have our staff nights code. We want to distribute those. We'll be pulling names again this Friday, so please recognize any staff members who are doing an outstanding job at Castle.
And treats with the principals resumes this Friday for our students who are earning Knights Code. We will also be recognize those students who were winners right before we left for winter break. So make sure you submit 2 names for Knights Codes for this week.
And then there is no school next Monday, January 15th, in honor of the Martin Luther King holiday.
On January 17th, we did have a staff meeting scheduled, but we are going to be having a turnaround PLC with the other turnaround schools. So you will be meeting with teachers at your grade level from Sandrini, Seibert, and Stein. You will need to check your boxes to see which school you will be meeting at for your grade level. If you have any questions, see Katrina or me.
And then next Friday, January 19th, we will have our school progress assessment. A team from the district will be here at Castle. What they'll do is we're going to compare our progress from the school readiness assessment completed last spring by KCSOS and just see how far we've come. Last year, you guys gave them a lot of valuable information, and they're just looking for the same type of information this time. We'll give you a schedule and more information this week.
Ivan Alba is going to be on campus in 2 weeks, the week of January 22nd, to work with intermediate teachers on math implementation. We will be getting you a schedule shortly.
Okay, now some shout outs. We wanted to recognize Ashley and Carolina for organizing the Secret Santa Exchange and Reveal during December. We all really enjoyed that. Thank you guys.
A big thank you to Parent Club for adopting a Castle family right before Christmas break. It was a way to give this family a little bit of Christmas cheer.
And we had our A in STEAM winter concert right before break. Shout out to Becky, Cody, Emilio, and Louisa for their outstanding work with the students. It was a great show.
Also a big thank you to Cassia, Grant, and Crystal for helping to supervise students during the winter concert. Your help is much appreciated.
And then right before break, John, Lisa, Shelly, and Amanda worked tirelessly finishing the Dibbles assessments. Thank you so much for doing that, guys.
Jill and Bree are busy again organizing registration for Extended Day Quarter 3, which is happening this week. So thank you, Jill and Bree.
And then our primary teachers have put in a lot of time planning for the implementation of their math centers. Thank you so much, primary teachers.
And then right before winter break, we had a student whose bike was stolen out of our bike rack. A parent, Stephanie Burnside, overheard that this student's bike was stolen and out of the goodness of her heart purchased a new bike for him. So a big thank you to Stephanie Burnside.
All right, guys, that's it for this week. Good to see everybody again. Thanks for listening.